Hey, what's up guys, this is Shlo from the Minute Show and we're back in the video after a very short time. And in this video we're going to talk about the PSLV, which is the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle made by ISRO. And this rocket is used to place satellites in a solar synchronous orbit. So solar synchronous orbit is the orbit in which the satellite is placed such that in each of its revolution the satellite would pass over that place at the same time. So this rocket has 4 stages, and as you can see, and stages are just the parts of a rocket. So and this is used to lift a payload of up to 2000 kilograms. And now let's see each of the stage. So this right here is the 4th stage. Excluding the conical part, which is known as the payload fare, this thing is the payload fairing, and here is where the payload is kept. And this is the 4th stage, and this contains 2 liquid fuel engines, and these engines run on liquid fuels. Then these are the engines in this stage are used to place the payload in the desired orbit. They are used to change the orbits of the payload and place it in the final orbit. Then from here starts the 3rd stage, and it continues till here. This is the 3rd stage, and the 3rd stage contains one solid propulsion engine which runs on solid fuel, and this is used when the rocket exits the atmosphere and it faces no dynamic pressure. Then we move down, and here we have the 2nd stage, here from here to here, and this contains one solid rocket engine known as Vikas engine, which was developed by the ISRO scientists in the 90s. And the Vikas engine in this provides a high thrust, and it is used when the rocket is in the mesosphere, and it has passed and it has experienced the maximum dynamic pressure, which is known as the max Q. Then moving down, we have the 1st stage, which is the tallest stage of the rocket, and it contains one. Let me zoom. Yes. So here we have in the core, in the middle, we have one solid rocket engine, which is surrounded by 6 of these strap-on boosters. And the solid rocket propulsion engine is used to provide the thrust which lifts the rocket off. And with the help of these strap-on boosters, the thrust of the rocket can be directed to some extent. And we can see here there are these red caps, and these contains motors which can be rotated, and these red caps are movable, and this is how the thrust of the rocket is directed. And this is all what makes the rocket. And anyone can come to Sriharikota and see the launches of these rockets from a safe distance, which are getting frequent year by year. And if we see here, this is Andhra Pradesh, and here we have Sriharikota, which is an island right here. This is the Satish Dhawan Space Center, and this is from where the rockets are launched. This is the launch complex right here. So guys, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned to watch more of videos on rockets made by ISRO, and peace.